Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to record Google Meet video call. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my browser, and here it says on your computer in the Google Meet, click start or join, and at the bottom right click activities, recording, and then click restart, start recording, and then in the pop-up screen click start and then wait for the recording to start. And if you want to stop recording, click activities, recording, and then in the pop-up screen just click stop recording, right? So basically you're gonna just go ahead to the Google Meet, and you're gonna just go ahead in finding the settings, or the settings and everything, and you're gonna be able right here to see recording unavailable, for example, and you're gonna be able to actually instead see a button that allows you to record on your activities, right? You're gonna see it in the activities section. So basically you're gonna be able to set a phone call, or set a recording for your session or maybe a lecture or whatever. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.